Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can open the engine hood of the Hyundai Tucson from the first generation. Okay, so first of all we need to open the door to going down to the pedals, and next to the pedals you will find this one. There's a little lever, you have to pull it to you and you will open the hood or bonnet. Okay. So let's go now there. The second step is now next to the icon. So inside here there's a little lever again. Can you see that here? And this one you have to lift up and open the hood. Okay, after you have here done the kickstand, I will try now to do this with one hand to fix it. Okay, fix it there. And that's it. I hope I could help you with this video and answer a question, and hey, it would be very nice if you can give me a nice comment or give me a thumbs up. That would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for, and yeah, maybe until next time. Ciao.